everyone, welcome to my channel Avashine. My name is Surbhi. Today we are going to discuss a mains level DI based on permutation and combination. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's start. Study the following charts carefully and answer the questions. Total number of persons, male plus female, involved in 5 different missions launched by ISRO. Now this chart, this bar graph shows the number of persons that are involved in 5 different missions that are launched by ISRO. For example, first mission is GSAT-30, this red color, GSAT-30. How many persons are involved in this mission? 30 persons. Fine. In Mars orbiter mission, 42 persons are involved. In Chandrayaan-2, 40 persons are involved. In AMISAT mission, 36. And in Cartosat, it is 28. Fine. So this graph shows the total number of persons that are involved in 5 different missions that are launched by ISRO. Fine. Now see, this pie chart shows males involved in 5 different missions. Fine. This was total number of persons and these are the males that are involved in these 5 different missions, and data is given in percentage value. Fine. So how will we do? See, 5 missions are GSAT-30, Mars orbiter mission, Chandrayaan-2, next is AMISAT, and next is Cartosat-3. These are the missions. Now total number of persons involved are 30, 42, 40, 36 and 28. I hope this is clear to you. These are the total persons, that is males plus females. Okay. Now see, males involved in these missions. Now this red color belongs to GSAT-30. So in GSAT-30 mission, 40% of the total are males, which means 40% of 30, 12 males. Fine. Now see the next Mars orbiter mission. 50% of the total are males, which will give you 21. Fine. Now next, in Chandrayaan-2 mission, 15% of the total persons are male. 6. 25% is 1/4 of 36 will give you 9. 3/4 of 75%, 75 upon 100, 3/4 upon 28, it will give you 21. Fine. So these are the number of males that are involved in 5 different missions. Now you have total persons, you have males also. You can find out the females. You will subtract this from total. 30 minus 12 is 18, 42 minus 21 is 21, 40 minus 6 is 34, 36 minus 9 is 27 and 28 minus 21 is 7. So these are the total number of females that are involved in 5 different missions launched by ISRO. Fine. Now see the first question. A team of 18 members is to be formed from the total persons involved in Cartosat-3 mission such that the team has at least 2 females. Read the question very carefully. We have to form a team of 18 members. 18 members की टीम बनानी है. टोटल पर्सन्स जो कि Cartosat-3 मिशंस में इन्वॉल्व हैं. किस तरह से हमने टीम बनानी है कि टीम हैज़ एट मोस्ट 2 फीमेल्स, कि टीम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 फीमेल्स ही हो सकती हैं. फाइन. नाउ सी द Cartosat मिशन. दिस इज द Cartosat मिशन. In Cartosat mission we have find number of males are 21 and females are 7. Fine. Now we have to form a team from this of 18 members such that the team has at most 2 females. It means at most 2 females. Either team has no female, total females are 7, either team will have no female at all, or team will have 1 female or team will have 2 females, because at most 2, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती, या तो 0 फीमेल होएगी या 1 या फिर 2. नाउ सी 18 मेंबर्स की टीम प्रिपेयर करनी थी. अगर फीमेल 0 है मीन्स बाकी 18 के 18 मेल्स होंगे. सो मेल्स कितने हैं टोटल? 21. 18 मेल्स होंगे. फाइन. इफ 1 फीमेल इज देयर इन द टीम, देयर विल बी 17 मेल्स इन द टीम. 17 प्लस 1 तभी तो 18 टोटल होंगे. Fine. If there are 2 females in the team, it means there are 16 males in the team. I hope this is clear to you. Total males are 21. If we have to make a team of 18 members, and if there is no female, it means 18 members will be males only. So males are 21, and out of 18 members all are male. If 17 are male, then 1 will be female. Or if 16 are male, then 2 will be females, because we have to make a team of 18 members. Now you have to solve this and find the answer. 21, 18, 21 minus 18 is factorial 3. 7 C naught is 1. 21, this is 17, difference is 4. 7 C1 is 7. This is factorial 21. 16, difference is 5. This is 7, 2, and this is 5. Fine. So this is 21, 20, 19, 18 factorial कट हो जाएगा. 3 का आ गया 3:2. Now this is 21, 20, 19, 18, 17 factorial कट हो जाएगा. यहाँ आ जाएगा 4:3:2. Fine. Into 7 plus 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Now this 16 factorial कट हो जाएगा. यहाँ आ जाएगा 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 7 into 6 5 factorial कट. This is 2. Fine. Now solve this. 2 10s are 20. 3 7s are 21. So this is 17 into 19 plus 4 5s are 20. 3 7s are 21. 2 9s are 18. 7 into 5 into 19 into 9 into 7. 5 4s are 20, 4 and 4 cut, 3 7s are 21 and 2 9s are 18. 7 into 19 into 9 into 17, 21. Fine. Now solve this. 19 7s are 133, 10 plus 7 5s are 35. 35 into 19. Fine. Now next into 9. Into 7. It will be 41,895. Fine. Now this one 19 sevens are into 9 into 17 9 14 10 13 8 9 10 6 7 8. Fine. Now multiply this with 1197 into 17. 7 7s are 49, 7 in the 63 plus 67, 13, 8, 7, 9, 1, 1, 9, 14, 10, 3, 13, 8, 9, 10. This is 20349. Multiply it with 21 now. 9 2s are 18, 819, 604. It will give you 427329. Now add these all. This DI is calculative. You can't escape. You have to do calculations. There is no shortcut. One 330. It will be 47055 4 ways. Fine. Now see the options. 470554. There is no such option. So the right answer here is option E, that is none of these. Fine. Now see the next question. A group of 6 members has to be formed from the persons that are involved in Chandrayaan-2 mission in such a way that group contains 2 males and 4 females. In how many ways it can be done? Now they are talking about Chandrayaan-2 mission. In Chandrayaan-2 mission, we have 6 males and 34 females. Males are 6 and females are 34. In Chandrayaan-2 mission. Now what they are asking? They are asking about to form a team of 6 members. 6 members की team prepare करनी है. These 40 persons में से किस वे में that 2 males and 4 females are there in the team. We want 2 males and 4 females in the team. Fine. So how to do this? We know that we have total 6 males that are involved in Chandrayaan-2 mission, and we want to select only 2 males out of these 6. So it can be done in 6 C2 ways. It can be done in 6 C2 ways. Now we have total 34 females that are involved in this mission, and we want to select only 4. So how it can be done? How many ways? 34 C 4 ways. Fine. Now you have to solve this. 6 factorial 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 34. This is 4. 34 minus 4 is 30. 6 is to 5. 4 factorial cut हो जाएगा. This is 2. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30 cut, 4, 3, 2. Fine. This is 5 into 3 into 4 8s are 32, 2 4s are 8, 3 11s are. ठीक है. 34 into 11 into 4 into 31. Now solve this. This is 15. 34 15s are 5 4s are 20, 15, 17, 4, 3, 5 10. Now into 11. Into 4 into 31. You will get 695640. So the right answer here is option A, that is 695640. Fine. Now see the next question. The total number of persons involved in Cartosat-3 mission launched by ISRO are to be seated around 2 different tables, that is a linear and a circular table. Linear table has 13 seats and circular table has 15 seats. Find the possible ways of arrangement. Now we are talking about the Cartosat-3 mission. See, the persons involved in Cartosat-3 mission are males were 21 and females were 7. Fine. Now what they are asking, the total number of persons involved in Cartosat-3 mission launched by ISRO are to be seated. Now we have to make them sit in 2 different tables. One table is in linear shape and another table is in circular shape. Fine. Linear table has 13 seats in total and circular table has 15 seats. Now tell me, find the possible ways. What will be the possible ways of this arrangement? We have 28 persons in total Cartosat mission. Fine. We have to make these persons sit in these 2 tables. Fine. Now we have 2 types of table. One is linear table and another is circular table. Fine. Linear table has 13 seats and circular table has 15 seats. These are the seats. Okay. Now see, 28 persons are there. Firstly, if we want to make persons sit around linear table, there are 13 seats. So total 28 persons were there initially. So 13 persons will be sit in these ways. Fine. Now these 13 persons will arrange themselves in factorial n ways. Now n here is 13. So these will arrange themselves in factorial 13, that is n ways. Fine. बट ये चीज़ है जो वो सर्कुलर टेबल में ट्रू नहीं होती. When we use the linear table or we made them in linear arrangement, then we say factorial n ways. But when we talk about the circular table, there is a circular arrangement, then the number of ways will be factorial n minus 1. Fine, keep this point in mind. Now 28 persons are already seated. We are left with 13 persons are already seated. 28 persons were total. We are left with 15 persons. Fine, and the circular table has 15 seats. Fine. Now how these person will arrange themselves in n minus 1. N here is 15, so 15 minus 1 is 14. This is 28c3 into factorial 13. 15c15 is 1 into factorial 14. Now see, देखो इसको आपका सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत है क्या? हम ऐसे अपना टाइम तो नहीं वेस्ट करने वाले. सीधा ऑप्शंस, नो, आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है सॉल्व करने की. सो एग्जाम में ज़रूर एक बार ऑप्शंस पहले देख लो. ये ना आप सॉल्व करते रहो, अपना टाइम वेस्ट करो और बाद में पता लगे तो सॉल्व तो करना ही नहीं था. फाइन, सो सीधा ऑप्शंस वंस. वी डोंट नीड टू सॉल्व दिस. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 28 सही 13 इंटू 13 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 14 फैक्टोरियल. सो द राइट आंसर हेयर इज ऑप्शन बी. फाइन. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In some future mission of ISRO, number of females will be the sum of all females involved in the given 5 missions, and number of males will be 14.28% more than the number of males involved in Mars orbiter mission and Cartosat 3 mission. Then what is the difference between the number of males and females that will be involved in ISRO's future mission? तो इसमें क्या बोला कि ISRO का कोई फ्यूचर मिशन है, उसमें नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स कितनी होंगी? सम ऑफ ऑल द फीमेल्स जो 5 मिशंस में इन्वॉल्व थी. नाउ सी 12 plus 21 plus 6 plus 9 plus 21. These were the females that were involved in 5 missions. Fine. Now add these ones. 39 plus 9 is 48 plus this. It will be 69. 12 plus 21 plus 6 plus 9 plus 21. 33 plus 6 is 39 plus 9 is 48 plus 21 is 69. Fine. Okay, I have written males. These are the females, these are the males involved, but we have to write about females. 18 plus 21 plus 34 plus 27 plus 7. Fine. Now add these ones. 39 plus 34 plus 27 plus 7, 107. Fine. These were the females that were involved in 5 different missions. Now see how to find the males. And number of males will be 14.28% more than the number of males. Now आपको 14.28% की वैल्यू पता है, दैट इज 1/7. फाइन. ये कुछ परसेंटेजेस वैल्यू जो कि फिक्स हैं, आपको लर्न होनी चाहिए क्योंकि एग्जाम में आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं होगा कि आप इसको कैलकुलेट करो, फिर आप एक ही क्वेश्चन में बस स्टक होकर रह जाओगे. फाइन. सो यू नीड टू लर्न दीज वैल्यूज. फाइन. 14.28% is 1/7. Now number of males that are involved are 1/7 more than the number of males involved in Mars orbiter mission and Cartosat 3 mission. Mars orbiter mission 21 and Cartosat 3 mission 21. ये 2 मिशंस में जितने पर्सन नंबर ऑफ मेल्स इन्वॉल्व थे उसका 1/7 ज़्यादा है फ्यूचर मिशन में. सो ये हो जाएगा 42. 1/7 is 6. फाइन. नाउ ये 2 मिशंस में कितने पर्सन इन्वॉल्व थे? टोटल मेल्स कितने इन्वॉल्व थे ये 2 मिशंस में? 42 मेल्स. 6 इससे ज़्यादा होंगे इन द फ्यूचर मिशन, तो टोटल मेल्स कितने इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे? 48. फाइन. नाउ सी then what is the difference between the number of males and females that will be involved in the ISRO's future mission. So ISRO का जो फ्यूचर मिशन है उसमें मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स का हमने डिफरेंस बताना है कि कितने होंगे. हमारे पास फीमेल्स आ चुकी हैं 107 एंड मेल्स हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है 48. सो फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू, यू विल गेट 59. फाइन. So the right answer here is option D, 59. See the last question. A team of 4 members is to be formed from the persons involved in Chandrayaan-2 mission and GSAT-30 mission launched by ISRO. In how many ways it can be done that team has at least one member of each of these 2 missions? Now we are talking about Chandrayaan-2 and GSAT-30 mission. Chandrayaan-2 mission, males are 60, females are 34, total are 40 members. And in GSAT-30 mission, males are 12 and females are 18, total 30. Now see, a team of 4 members is to be formed from the persons involved in these 2 missions. अब ये 2 मिशंस में से हमने सिलेक्ट करने हैं 4 मेंबर्स की टीम तैयार करनी है इन 2 मिशंस को यूज करते हुए. फाइन. In how many ways it can be done that team has at least one member of each of these 2 missions? कितने वेज में ऐसे हो सकता है कि जो हमने टीम प्रिपेयर करनी है उसमें इन दोनों मिशंस का कम से कम एक मेंबर होना ज़रूरी है. ये ना हो कि सारे मेंबर्स इस मिशन के पिक कर लिए या सारे के सारे इस मिशन से पिक कर लिए. नो, एटलीस्ट वन मेंबर तो दोनों मिशंस का एक मेंबर तो होना ही चाहिए. फाइन. एटलीस्ट का ये मीनिंग है कि दोनों मिशंस में से हमें मिनिमम एटलीस्ट एक मेंबर होना ही चाहिए. फाइन. सो यहाँ पे कितने टोटल 40. अगर इसका 1 मेंबर सिलेक्ट होगा तो टोटल हमने टीम प्रिपेयर करनी थी 4 मेंबर्स की. फाइन. तो इसमें से 3 मेंबर सिलेक्ट होंगे. अगर इसके 2 मेंबर्स हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं तो इसके भी 2 करेंगे बिकॉज टोटल हमने 4 मेंबर्स ही सिलेक्ट करने हैं. फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट, अगर इसके 3 मेंबर सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो इसका 1 मेंबर सिलेक्ट होगा. इससे आगे जा नहीं सकते बिकॉज कि हमें इस मिशन में से भी एटलीस्ट 1 मेंबर तो सिलेक्ट करना ही करना है. फाइन. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 40C1 is 40. This is factorial 30. Factorial 3. 30 minus 3 is 27. 40. This is factorial 2 and 40 minus 2 is 38. Factorial 30. Factorial 2 and difference is 28 plus factorial 40. 3. 37 into 30C1 is 30. Fine. Now solve this. This is 30. 29. 28. 27 will be cut. 3 into 2 plus 49, 40, 39, 38 will be cut. This is 2. 30, 29, 28 will be cut. 2 plus 40, 39, 38, 37 will be cut. 3 into 2 and this is 30. Fine. Now see this. 2, 20, 40. Fine. 3 tens are. So this is 20 into 10 into 29 into 28 plus this is 220 and 2 10. 10 into 39 into 30 into 29 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 40 into 39, 38 into 5. Fine. Now do these calculations. This is 200 into 29. 29 2s are 5800. Now multiply it with 28. It will be 162400 plus 39 threes are this 117. Fine. And 29, 117 into 29. 7 and 63, 9 and 6 15, 10, 3393. Fine. So it will give you 339300. Fine. Now see the next one. 39 into 4 into 5 into 38. It will give you 29640 and 10 was here this. Fine. Now add these all. 1624000 plus 339300 296400. It will give you 798100. Fine. So the right answer here is option number B option, 798100. Fine. So I hope you like this DI. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, any suggestion, you can write it in the comment section or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.